Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing on this is JapanCrate. Umai Crate. Yeah, JapanCrate. This is mainly noodles and that kinds of stuffs. Yeah, Umai Crate. Dengi vegan ramen tacos. This is a recipe for some. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. What's on the menu this month? Okay, yes, we have info. Okay, this is tonkatsu ramen, spicy. This is another vegan-friendly artificial pork-based ramen with a spicy kick from Kamamoto Prefecture. Try with artificial cheese, jalapeno, kimchi. Okay, nice. This is just a noodles box. This doesn't have any English words. What's that? That is clam broth akatsuki something. Can be enjoyed by topping your rice bowl with this crispy flakes and adding hot water. This delicious okatsuki has the scent of yuzu packed with the flavor of 3 types of shellfish. You like shellfish. This bowl again doesn't say have any English words. That is the deep fried tofu udon. Okay. Nice. This guy right here is the oatmeal ripe tomato. As healthy and quick as they come, the oatmeal is seasoned with juicy ripe tomato to give it an unmistakably refreshing flavor. Oh, and it also shows you the directions how to do it. This is again clam. That one is clam something. Oh, here, clam chowder pasta, same one. No, clam chowder pasta. These are the square noodle thingies. Those are the spicy ones. Okay, yeah, these are the healthy food sesame ramen. This ramen and its sesame based broth can be on the healthier kind, but it still packs a punch. It's excellent as it is, but we recommend going wild with the toppings. Green onion, soft boiled eggs, bamboo shots. Here's another one. That is the seafood and vegetable miso dashi ramen. This is the other thing here. That's the Tokyo soy sauce ramen. Nostalgic vegan ramen with a sweet and salty soy sauce soup based on a slight flavor of pot herbs. Okay, last thing is this bad boy is boiled mixed kishimen, a soupless kishimen that is eaten by dipping the noodles in soy sauce with an elegant sweetness that brings out the flavor of kelp, dried sardines, and bonito flakes. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things. 9 ramen and noodle things. Yeah, 9. Yeah. This is the noodle box from JapanCrate. Yeah, right? Yeah, JapanCrate. We get 9 items. Pretty good if you want to try various seafood and regular. This looks spicy. That was good. One, 2. I don't know about the clam ones, but pretty good. Not bad. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.